Hey, you're the property owner. You got to look at what's that. No idea.
Hey,
Watch out if it's septic stuff, Larry. I mean, I wouldn't touch it because that shit's contaminated.
There's a chain on it.
Oh, well, I don't think they
Yeah, Larry, you better be careful. You should probably have gloves on.
What is something like from the war or something?
See, look at that root that was through it.
What in the world is this?
Oh, that's big.
That is big.
Whoa.
Oh, that looks like it's been damaged for a while. Don't hurt yourself. Have Joe get it.
Well, I'm holding his beer.
Yes.
Anyone have that? No, here's your beer. I held it for you.
Maybe it's like one of those time capsules or something. You know how sometimes people
put a time capsule back in the middle of nowhere. That's
Oh, it's got a lock on it.
Oh, what?
That crap's old, man.
Yeah, but you could probably cut that with like a...
Look at the box. That's got some.
Yeah, I bet
that's
there's
some meat.
I bet there's some super
But it's
valuable
got
in there.
some newspapers in there.
Maybe there's money in there.
Well, I don't think I would be worrying about it because it ain't mine.
Well, I mean, we all found it together. That means...
I still know.
1945.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah, dude, there could be some bonds in there from like, I don't know, Sears or something that's big. I don't know. I can't think of anything back then.
This is
where's
actually
oh my
pretty neat.
God.
That's pretty good shape. What's that? Does that say arithmetic?
Yeah.
These are like antiques, Larry.
Look at that.
Well,
You lost your teeth.
it must have came from West Virginia.
Yeah. Got it covered.
That's an old
What the
comb.
heck is this?
Oh, there could be
This
jewels
is
in there.
freaking crazy. I mean,
Oh, come on, no whammy.
What's this?
That's like a heart necklace.
Oh, there's money in here.
Here we go.
that is so great.
Are they 2 silver doubloons? What's silver worth nowadays?
What's the dates on them things?
1922.
What are they?
That's I can.
Are they-
Can you see it?
These silver dollars?
1898 or 1893?
Wow.
1898.
Is it?
Wow.
Is it United States?
Yeah.
Really?
This is a $1 piece.
That has to be worth something.
That's all that's in here. It's just like.
1898.
That's
Crazy.
a cute little change purse.
What is up with this?
There's numbers in there.
Coin purse. This is heavy too.
Look at all the crud in there. A deer?
With a broken leg.
Is that like a cast
What is
iron
it?
one? Is that pretty heavy?
You gonna put this back in the purse?
Yeah, that's pretty. That's like metal. That's weird. Is it like it's
Oh,
like cast
somebody-
iron or
look,
lead?
they looked at another toy. It's like a little
Little army
army
guy.
man.
That's very odd.
This is bizarre.
And the weird look.
what's
Hey,
this?
look,
Oh,
look. It's even his arms move or with his gun. It's like a
It's a
pivoting.
swivel.
Yeah.
Oh, uh-oh. There you go.
Dang.
It's in good condition.
Hey, you're the property owner. This
Hey,
is all
okay.
yours, man. Here's your.
Oh, who's
Oh
that?
wow.
I don't want to.
There's a person's face in there.
No way.
Let's not take it.
Okay.
Sorry, I was being a bastard. I'll say.
I guess they're wind-ups.
Yeah, it's not even.
But I get a kick out of these things. These are like very old looking.
I'm very curious about those coins. I think they're probably
Well,
silver.
they're dollars. There probably had to be silver back
Yeah,
then
that's
from
what I'm
1898.
saying.
I don't know
I
what
think
the one
silver-
he had.
I think silver's up. Uh-oh.
Jeez.
Look at that. That's all red. Why is that red?
Why is that red? Is it maybe because
Yeah,
of the
let me-
soil?
1944. Something at the top of this.
I bet you that box was worth something.
What's
What
that?
is that?
Ooh.
It's like the eye of the tiger
Oh,
there.
there's a
on
picture.
that
That
hand.
looks cool. Little
There's a
survivor
picture
going
underneath
on.
it too.
Is that the same person from the stopwatch or the pocket watch?
Where is it?
Is that the dude?
Maybe when
Hey.
she was older.
Could be.
Yeah, but there's like no names or anything.
So do you think I bashed the box, or was it already broken? Because those papers look still pretty good, so
Yeah,
I
it's
probably
in
bashed the
pretty
crap
good
out of
condition.
it. What the hell?
Anything else there?
I just see dirt in here.
This almost looks like
It's
a
like-
piece of skull.
It's like copper wire that was holding
That's
that
not
thing
funny.
in there.
That's what I do.
Is there bones?
Yeah, it's like, look at it.
No, nah. Is it really?
What's that thing
like
right
a
there,
finger
Lara?
there.
Like it's like a little hole.
Where?
In
Right here?
yeah.
But
Nothing?
seriously,
No.
maybe there was a house back here that. Because remember, settlers used to put like time capsules in the right front part of their foundations.
Yeah.
I mean, stupid stuff I know, but yeah.
Well, you would think.
Yeah, if they
you
had a
would
driveway going to the road, it's gonna be the right front part of the.
That's what I mean. You're
right.
back. You're back at
You
the
would
property.
think this would be like, the 40s, since the newspapers are the 40s?
Yeah, yeah, it would have to
40s,
be.
I would presume. Yeah.
Yeah, they
But
were-
no, they could put something in the 60s.
Didn't
but
your
then-
driveway, Larry, used to go that way?
But if
Yeah,
honestly,
down there by
but if-
next to the house.
So
but
what if this was the front right corner, like you said, of the
Well, no.
foundation? The driveway went right there after that street.
just think
there
about
was
this.
no house here that I
Yeah.
know of.
And just think about this, and you know, we used to barrel ass through here with
Yeah,
a car,
with the cars.
and there was these
Yeah?
trees weren't here, so these
That
trees
sounds
are
fun.
young. These trees here could be 40, 50, 60, 70 years old, but the other ones aren't. Like that old dead son of a gun right there.
Well,
that's probably,
Uncle Rich lived here before we did.
yeah,
Yeah.
but I don't think Uncle Rich is
But
burning
Yeah.
crap back
somebody
here from the
else
40s.
lived here before him, though.
Right.
Really?
They had
Because,
to.
yeah.
Wow.
Because
Yeah,
he
but-
didn't build this house. I think
Right.
somebody else built the house.
Right.
But
This
it's
is just weird. I mean,
But this ground is hard as a rock. It's like concrete.
Yeah, that's
Right,
a nice
like
watch,
this,
dude.
this, all this stuff is like very,
Grab his coins,
very
too.
random.
Joe wants to hold them coins.
No, his coin purse. I don't want to hold his coin purse.
You think this
these were
belonged
inside.
to the
What-
person in
There's
the
numbers
locket?
here though. It's like 132 and 18 that were in this thing
Oh, in
with
the
these
coin
coins.
Yeah. Oh, they
That's
were in
kind
that
of
thing.
weird. And
It
this
is
thing
weird.
was in there too.
132.18.
You don't
Like
see
that,
like
that
a,
sounds
like
like a combination.
Yeah, you don't see like a
lock,
key to
right?
like a security box.
Yeah,
in
which
the
is
bank,
kind of
do
weird
you?
because this is all
On
regular.
that thing right there, is that like a little pearl on the end of it or something? Look at that little broochy thing or
What
whatever.
are those
that-
boxes called in banks?
Yeah,
lock
it looks
box.
a little-
Lock box.
No, they put
Okay,
stuff
my
in.
beer.
Yeah, you can
Oh,
It
write 'em out.
almost looks
Oh,
like
here, don't
it was
forget
in
your
a
little-
fire or
I think it's like a
something.
key
Here.
to them. Well, no, what are they called? It's not lockbox.
Safety.
But you put
security
like
box,
valuables
safety
in,
box.
and then you have a key on it. Safety security box. Is that what it
I
is?
guess,
Yeah.
yeah.
Safety deposit
Way to
box.
go, Tom.
What if
Feel
that's
the weight
the
of
number?
this? That's a bone.
Don't let me touch it, dude.
Well,
What are you
Jeff,
talking about?
you like these toys? You want them?
No, I don't want it. That dude's got a broken leg.
It's gotta be worth
No,
something.
I don't want them. Thank you, but this
want
is
pocket
not
watch?
This is not mine. No,
Oh, I care about is the coins.
No,
You like
No, I kind of like this thing that nobody else wants it.
Hey, you can have that. I don't want that. That's kind of creepy looking.
Yeah, this has got long fingers, but I kind of like the eye.
Well,
I just
kinda
feel bad
like-
because if
like
I
this,
if I
but it's
busted
like,
it when I was digging,
what am I
I
going to
didn't.
do with it? I
Well, how
can't
many
wear it.
teeny
It's
boxes
like
are
had seen better days.
But the boxes, if
But
you
the
think
brush is
about it,
kind of
look at the
cool,
box.
and it's not in bad shape.
No, it's not. The comb isn't either, other than missing teeth.
Do you care if I take this?
No, you can have that.
What's that thing?
Hon, you're like that toy soldier.
I did. I just don't. It's not mine. You know
Yeah,
me.
but it's not
don't
him.
want
I don't
to
care about
touch
it. I don't want
We
it.
don't
I'll
know.
take the
We don't
toy
know
soldier.
whose it
I don't
is.
want the deer. Well,
It's-
I'll take the deer. Dang. It's kind of
See?
cute. I'll put it
Yeah,
up
it's
on.
cool. You
I'll,
can find
I'll
it.
clean
You
him.
Set it up.
But this, I like this guy. Look at this. His arm moves with the gun.
Yes,
Take
that's
the-
high
I'll
quality.
take the coins in the book.
What do you want, Tom?
You want the pocket watch?
Sure. Aquatic are cool.
You got the hand.
Yeah, I love it.
And,
I just think this is. I think we should take this back.
yeah, I want all the
that's-
newspapers.
yeah,
Like,
newspapers,
yeah,
they keep all that stuff.
Right?
Oh, you're keeping this,
That's a
right?
magazine.
Is there any way, like, you can find out who these people are?
You
Like,
could do a reverse image search, I guess. Maybe Tom
Can
has
you?
the thing on the internet.
don't
Okay,
know.
You
now
want
look,
that thing?
Joe.
Yes.
Thinking out loud here. Look at this. Look at this thing right here. Now,
Yeah, what is that? It looks like somebody's head goes in there.
it's like one of those things they used to use for eye tests, where you stuck your chin on the board. Oh, glaucoma testing. Thank you. It's just something weird. Look at this. Not that it is, but it's
The
weird.
whole thing, the old box is weird.
But why?
Maybe that's the only box they had.
And look at. It has old hasps on it.
Oh, look at that. Oh, does it
But
open
why
up right
would
now?
they chain it up? That's the key to this freaking weird ass stuff. Good.
Well, that's an old looking lock.
Right.
Yeah, it's super old.
This is like very random stuff.
This is very random. It's almost like I almost got a feeling like would a kid do this? You know what I mean?
know.
Like it's almost like something like that.
Take some out of his parents' yard.
Stealing stuff from his parents and
put
put
it
it
out
or
here.
stealing something from the neighbors.
Yeah,
you know?
maybe like a,
And then he
and
throws a
and
couple toys in here from when he was a kid, and that thing
Yeah.
I have no idea. I can't even come up with something for that one.
No, it's good. It's a
bizarre.
good leg
I
scratcher.
wonder
right
what
now.
else could be buried around here.
Look, here's another hasp.
Yeah,
know?
Nate, I think we should start getting. Maybe we should get a metal detector.
Look, yeah. Look at the box.
Oh, that's where that thing was.
You sure there's
This
nothing
thing was
else?
there. This thing that I took off was standing up here like this.
Oh, well, look at the date on the box. 11/29/1946.
Wow.
Because this metal stuff was all around it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so it was holding it up here.
So yeah, there's a lot of interesting crap here. It's
That's
real-
one.
Yeah,
That's
what
weird.
kind of box is that? It's got a little round circle down here.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's almost like
That's weird.
I can't even.
Begin to fathom what it could be.
I know. And then there's another. Look, there's a latch right here. Look at this wooden latch that comes down and covers that thing.
Is the old display case or
I'll
something?
tell you what, good thing they put a chain around it. It held it up
Maybe
pretty
we
good,
can
huh?
find out who lived here
It made it really hard to get
Right.
into.
Because
Yeah.
it had to be somebody who lived here.
But what's that wood? Do you think? Is that cedar? Would you think? I don't know.
Oh, this is pretty heavy.
Or mahogany.
Mahogany, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, this is heavy. This is not like pine.
No, it isn't pine. Isn't isn't going to last in this.
I
one.
think it's mahogany.
No, I meant this, but this hand. Feel how heavy this is.
It's even
That's a little creepy, Joe.
it's even grooved. Look for interlocking.
Yes, they
It's got a hole in the bottom of it.
Was there anything in there? I already claimed it. I already claimed it.
Doesn't the one eye mean something?
Yeah, it means you weren't lucky enough to have two.
No, I don't know what that means. I don't know.
Well, I mean, it could mean anything.
Yeah, it could.
Isn't that on the back of money? Is it?
Yeah, that's on the pyramid, but that's on a pyramid.
That's good. I'll draw a pyramid on this. Maybe I get some money for it.
Huh. And there's
Yeah,
a
I'll
combination, could be a possible combination in this bag. So
To a
maybe there's
safety
something else
deposit box.
buried that has a
Yeah, 'cause,
combination
like,
lock on
why
it.
would they keep all this stuff if it's not something important?
Right. I think Jeff should just keep digging. Maybe there's something
I'll
else
keep
down
digging.
in
I
here.
got a problem keeping digging. I don't like. It's not my property, so I have an issue. That's all.
But it's family, hon.
Are you
I know,
taking
but I screwed
newspapers
something
with you?
up. I didn't-
Huh?
Are you
Yeah,
taking newspapers?
well, I'm taking them up to the house, but I want these two things. I like this brush.
I can't carry that.
It reminds me
I'll
of
come back
something
for
that Mom used to have a long time ago.
I'm going to go check out these newspapers and see what if there's any clues in here or something.
I think you should take the box too, Al.
I can't carry it.
You research.
Yeah,
see how
Joe's
old that
awful,
thing is.
like, he don't got nothing in his hands.
What do you need me to do?
Carry the box.
I'm not carrying the chain. I'll carry the box.
But look at this. That's
Yeah,
what I
but
said.
chain's
This is
kinda
so weird.
stuck
Look
to
at
it.
it.
Isn't
Like,
that
I should
weird?
get the chain
It's
off.
Do you
pivoting.
think we should get the metal detector?
We can, yeah.
You know what? JT has a metal detector.
That we confiscated a long time ago.
Maybe we should
I
go.
was looking
Maybe
for
we
a
should bring
property
it
marker.
out here just to look.
That's what you needed. The
But
metal detector.
look at this dude's ear. They're almost lead. They bend. It's weird.
Didn't they have lead toys back then?
Yeah, that's why.
Well, maybe
Yeah,
you
it
should
probably
careful.
killed
Yeah,
half
Yeah,
the
don't get lead
kids.
poisoning.
You don't put it in your mouth, Jeff.
Yep. That's where his leg went.
That's really weird. That's a first.
I know that is a first. Who the heck would you?
They were very heavy. I think they were silver, dude.
I don't know. It's weird. What do you got? You took the hairbrush?
I took the brush. Well,
Oh, and this thing-
because it's still in good shape,
Well,
and
you
it reminds
lost
me of
this.
something my mom used to have.
Yeah, but it's got like a little pearl of something on the side there.
I know,
too.
but that looks like it was in a fire
Yeah, that's kind of
or
the weirdest
something.
thing.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Why would,
It's
I don't
creepy
know
crap.
why. I mean, all these things being kept in an old box, locked up.
Right, that's what I mean. And look at like this. Now, even though this has probably nothing to do with it, but this is like, it's the weirdest stuff. I mean, it's amazing what you find when
But
you
can I-
dig.
Think about it though.
Right.
Why would you have a big lock and a chain on it if you're burying it underground?
I can't answer that. But that's what I said.
It
Was it a
seems
kid?
like it's not necessary.
Right. Was it? was it a kid maybe, possibly, that just was goofing off and found this box that dad may have had it in a barn or something, and then he just pilfered some stuff from the neighbors or from his dad and mom and just threw it in a box, just thinking in 20 years I'll come back and pick it up. And then he may have died. Who the hell knows? I mean, it's so weird. It's so weird.
Yeah.
I guess I could dig for a little bit. I don't know.
I really think we should get
The skeeters are biting the hell out of us.
I think we should really get the metal detector
All
and
right, well,
check
fine.
out, because there could be something else. That box was broken, whether you broke it or somebody, or it was broken in there already.
I feel bad about that only because. It isn't my fault.
Yeah, but what I'm saying, hon, is that something could have fallen out of there.
Right, I know. That's why I said, should I continue digging? Is there more?